This time on building terminology, the gambrel roof. So the gambrel roof term is pretty much interchangeable with the Dutch gable term, because as you can see, it's pretty much the same roof. The only real difference is that the gablet part of the roof is generally a little bit bigger on a gambrel roof. So you can see there in that picture, it's taking up sort of half the rise of the roof. So you've got the gambrel, which is a little bit bigger normally than a gablet. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.